fresh?
Fresh coffee.
Whoa.
And then you get 10 books at the library.
10.
10 of them.
Do you carry all those?
Yeah.
Wow.
So I have to pick them out.
Yeah.
And then I bring them home and I read them.
Wow.
Strawberry banana cake with frosting. And then you get lunch. Pudding, the peanut butter, strawberry, and peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter. That's how I
It's Kelly's love language.
Then you get mixed veggies.
What do you get for supper? Soup. What's your favorite breakfast that Natalie makes? Favorite breakfast?
Cake.
Pancake.
Pancake.
Ooh.
I love pancakes. I would have strawberries and peanut butter in the middle.
Oh.
And they're really good. And sometimes you get 3 of them
No
at
way.
my house.
Wow.
And it's got Mother Goose songs.
Whoa.
Like Hickory Dickory Dock, Little Bo Peep, Little Miss Muffet. You got all the nurse rhymes on there. Humpty Dumpty.
What?
They got all the nurse rhymes on there.
What's your favorite one, Timmy?
Little Bo Peep. It got all kinds of nurse rhymes.
Oh.
And you can even listen to them.
You can listen to them?
Yeah. And the record.